Hello and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is adding members in Google Groups. So let's get started. Once the Google Groups site loads, you click on My Groups, and then you go down to the group that you'd like to add members to and click on the Manage Members link. On the left-hand side is a menu, and there are two ways to add members. The first way is through invite members. The way that this works is you type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite, separate them out by commas, and write an invitation message. What this does is that it sends an invitation to the recipients, and those recipients can either accept or decline the invitation. The other way is to direct add members, and you do this the exact same way. Add member emails here, separate them out by commas, and write a welcome message. The main difference between these two is that invite members, you're inviting them to the group. They can accept or decline. Direct add is exactly the way it sounds, and you are directly adding the members to the group. So be sure that those members want to be added to the group and receive messages prior to adding them. But that's it. That's how you add members to a group.